There is a legend regarding the birth of King Kamehameha, possibly in 1753. His mother was the daughter of a chief, and they're not really sure who his father was. There's two possibilities. But the legend links his birth to storms and strange lights, which they assumed might have been Halley's Comet. The prophets said at his birth he was going to kill thousands of men, and it was decided that upon his birth he should be killed. His mother, hearing these rumors, decided that she had to go away to have the baby and secure safe passage to somewhere else for him. It's not sure whether Kamehameha was born in Maui or on a boat going to Hawaii or born on Hawaii. Nevertheless, at his birth, he was taken away and was delivered to his half-sister and survived the threats against him.